Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in the first Indian-Israel-UAE-USA Leaders Virtual Summit today along with his Israeli counterpart Yair Lapid, UAE President Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan and the US President Joe Biden. People aged 18 and 59 years can get precaution doses of the COVID vaccine at Government Vaccination Center under a 75-day special drive starting tomorrow. Chief Minister Conrad Sangwa on Wednesday confirmed that a few legislators of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance will not be voting in the presidential election slated for July 18. A day after chairing a meeting of the MDA to discuss the matter, the Chief Minister said that the legislators in question have informed about it in advance. The annual Kanwaryata will begin today after a gap of 2 years. The yatra, which was cancelled in the last 2 years due to the COVID-19 outbreak, is expected to be attended by around 3 to 4 crore devotees this year. Phase 1 of Common University Entrance Test undergraduate will commence tomorrow in nearly 500 cities across India and 10 cities outside India.